Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to buy a Telegram number. First, understand that a virtual number offers enhanced privacy for your Telegram account. Next, you'll need to identify a reliable online platform that provides these numbers. Finally, I'll guide you through the straightforward steps to acquire and activate your new number for Telegram. This process is simpler than you might think. When choosing a provider, it's crucial to research reputable services. Look for platforms known for reliability and good customer support. Compare their pricing structures. Some offer one-time use numbers, while others provide longer-term solutions. Always confirm that the service explicitly supports receiving SMS verification codes for Telegram, as this is essential for activation. Once you've selected a provider, the next step is to register on their website and add funds to your account. You'll then choose a country for your virtual number, and the platform will provide you with one. Immediately enter this new number into the Telegram app. The provider's website will display the SMS verification code you need to complete your Telegram account setup. To maintain your privacy, always keep your virtual number details and account credentials secure. Remember, this number is primarily for Telegram verification and enhancing your online anonymity. It's a great tool for managing multiple accounts or simply adding an extra layer of privacy. Also, for those looking to streamline their daily routine, check the description for a link to some fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.